Hi everyone, Al the Psych here. I have a quick video for you today for informational purposes only that I've entitled Cognitive Restructuring. So, what is cognitive restructuring? Well, I'm going to read this. According to Very Well Mind, cognitive restructuring is a useful process for identifying and understanding unhelpful thoughts and for challenging and replacing our automatic thoughts, specifically cognitive distortions. Okay, so it's a process. First, you have to be aware of the automatic thought, and sometimes it's easy not to pay attention to these negative, inaccurate thoughts because they just happen so fast. So first, it's important to, kind of step back and start paying attention to how you think. Okay. Now, when you catch the negative automatic thought, it's important to determine what the flaw is in that thought. It could be a number of things. For example, what we call catastrophizing, all or none thinking, black or white thinking, mind reading, the list just goes on. So, for example, so you have to give a talk in front of your colleagues, and so many people don't like public speaking. Okay, so an automatic thought that might pop up in your mind could be, this is going to be a disaster. Okay, well, this is what is called catastrophizing. Okay, you've basically said that the worst thing that can happen will happen. All right. Now, in this example, if you examine the evidence, it would be important to note that you are looking into the future. Okay, so first of all, how do you know that it's going to be a disaster? You don't. You are not a fortune teller. And by the way, fortune telling is another type of cognitive distortion. So it's here that you are wanting to dispute the thought that this is going to be a disaster. Now, let's say that you base your automatic thought on a past talk that did not go so well. Well, again, check the evidence. Was it a disaster really, or were there parts of the talk that went okay? Or do you have a should mentality in the sense that you think that the talk needs to be or should be perfect, and if it isn't, then it's a disaster. Were you afraid your colleagues noticed your nervousness? Do you have any evidence to verify this? I think you get the idea about challenging certain inaccurate thoughts. It's important to determine whether or not the automatic thoughts are accurate because it's really easy just to kind of default into inaccurate thinking. And one more thing. If you're worried about what your colleagues think, they think I was nervous, you may want to take a tip from the Roman emperor and Stoic Marcus Aurelius. And basically, I'm paraphrasing here, but basically he said, why would I consider giving so much importance to what others think? Okay, and there you have it. That's it. Thanks.